For the repair of the GEA Westfalia Separator, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add a 24-volt DC power supply. By turning the power supply on, the unit reacts, and after a while, the screen lights up. We can also access the menu by pressing the corresponding button. No further testing is possible due to lack of additional units. It is now clear that the separator is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.